Yo, passion seekers! Welcome to English by Movie. Master English with heart and joyful moments. Let's roll.
When is somebody going to clean this off?
我唔俾我講英文喎，唔地同你講乜啊？
And the why? The why, we talked about this. It's an I in happiness. There's no Y in happiness, it's an I.
我話咗俾你聽，我唔識講英文話。
I'm Chris Gardner.
同你講乜啊？
And the why, we talked about this. It's an I.
Question tags. Question tags are short questions added to statements, like, isn't it, or don't you? Here, the why is used to confirm understanding. It's common in conversational English to check if the listener remembers or agrees. Try using them to sound more natural. You know the way, don't you? It checks if the listener knows the way. It's a nice day, isn't it? It seeks agreement about the weather.
Why, we talked about this. It's an I in happiness. There's no Y in happiness, it's an I.
There's no is often used to emphasize the absence of something, like there's no way or there's no doubt. Here, it stresses the correct spelling. Use it to make strong statements in your chats. There's no way I'm missing that concert. It shows strong determination not to miss the event. There's no doubt she's the best candidate. It expresses complete certainty about her being the best. Happiness. Happiness here refers to the word's spelling, not the emotion. It shows how context changes meaning. Use it to clarify misunderstandings in conversations. I'm talking about the band Queen, not the monarch. It specifies the intended meaning of queen.
聽我唔識講英文話。
I'm Chris Gardner.
Self-introduction. Self-introduction is key in American culture, often starting with I'm name. It's direct and confident, reflecting individualism. Try it to make a strong first impression. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. It introduces oneself in a friendly manner.
A time machine. That seems like a time machine. It's a time machine. Take me with you.
This machine.
Take me with you.
This machine on my lap.
This guy, he has a time. It's like a time machine. That seems like a time machine. It's a time machine. Take me with you.
Take me with you. Take me with you is a casual way to ask to join someone, often used humorously or desperately. Here it's playful. Use it to lighten the mood in your chats. You're going to the party? Take me with you. It expresses eagerness to join the fun.
It's a time machine. Take me with you.
This machine.
Take me with you.
This machine. This machine is used to refer to something specific, often with emphasis. It's a common way to draw attention. Try it to highlight objects in your stories. This phone is amazing. It emphasizes the phone's qualities.
This machine.
Take me with you.
This machine on my lap.
This guy.
On my lap. On my lap is a phrase where words blend in speech, sounding like on my lap. It's natural in casual English. Practice it to sound more fluent. The cat's on my lap. It describes the cat's position.
Bathe him, get him in bed, and be back here by 7.
Yes.
And we got the tax bill notice today.
All right.
What are you gonna do about that?
This is what we got to do.
See that car? One with the pretty yellow shoe on it?
Yes.
And we got the tax bill notice today.
All right.
Got the. Got the is often used to mean received or have, like got the message. It's informal and common in American English. Use it to sound more native. I got the email you sent. It means the email was received.
The tax bill notice today.
All right.
What are you gonna do about that?
This is what we got to do.
Gonna is a contraction of going to, used for future plans. It's very common in spoken English. Use it to sound casual and natural. I'm gonna call you later. It indicates a future action. Do about. Do about is a collocation meaning to take action regarding something. It's often used in questions. Try it to ask for solutions.
What are you going to do about the noise? It asks for a plan to address the noise.
What you supposed to do with it?
Make every side the same color. Did you pay the taxes?
No, I'm gonna have to file an extension.
Make every side the same color.
Make every outside. Make every side means to achieve uniformity, often used in puzzles or tasks. It's a clear instruction. Use it to explain goals in your projects. Make every piece fit perfectly. It sets a standard for precision.
Did you pay the taxes?
Past simple. Did you pay is past simple, used for completed actions. It's straightforward for yes, no questions. Use it to ask about past events. Did you finish your homework? It inquires about completing homework. Taxes versus fees. The taxes are government levies, while fees are charges for services. Here, taxes are mandatory payments. Use them correctly to avoid confusion. I paid my taxes last month. It refers to government payments. The entrance fee is $10. It refers to a service charge.
That deficit is larger than the entire federal budget in 1957. And so is the almost $80 billion we will pay in interest this year on the national debt. 20 years ago, in 1957, and so is the almost $80 billion.
And so is. And so is used to compare or add similar information, like, and so is this. It's formal and emphatic. Use it to connect ideas in your speeches. The project was a success, and so is the team. It praises both the project and the team.
$80 billion we will pay in interest this year on the national debt.
Future simple. Will pay is future simple, indicating a future action. It's used for predictions or decisions. Use it to talk about future plans. We will meet at 5 p.m. It sets a future meeting time. National debt. National debt refers to the total amount a country owes. It's a key economic concept in American politics. Use it to discuss fiscal policies. The national debt has been rising steadily. It comments on the increasing debt.
I'm gonna go down and see about this, and I'm gonna do it during the day.
You should probably do your sales calls.
I don't need you to tell me about my sales calls, Linda. I got 3 of them before the damn office is even open.
Do it during the day.
You should probably do your sales calls.
Sales calls. Sales calls are phone calls to potential customers, often used in business. It's a common term in sales jobs. Use it to discuss work tasks. I have to make my sales calls before lunch. It refers to a work responsibility.
Do your sales calls.
I don't need you to tell me about my sales calls, Linda.
I don't need you to. I don't need you to is a way to assert independence, often used defensively. It shows frustration. Use it carefully in arguments. I don't need you to remind me every day. It expresses annoyance at being reminded. Possessive pronoun. My is a possessive pronoun, showing ownership. It's essential for indicating whose sales calls. Use it to clarify possession. This is my book. It indicates the book belongs to the speaker.